This is Innovledia.
Hello and welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you the interface of all the versions of Maya covered in this course. Okay? So this is the interface of Maya 2022. This is of 2023. And this is of 2024. You won't notice much of any difference. Maya 2020 and 2022 are almost identical, meaning you can follow this course in Maya 2022 the same way as in Maya 2020. However, the later versions such as Maya 2023 and 2024 have few changes that have been covered in additional chapters, like this home button and the home screen. You can escape to the main interface by clicking here on Go to Maya. Maya 2023 still looks similar to its previous versions. But in Maya 2024, the interface has been little improved. The time slider and the range slider look little different than their previous versions. There are also a lot of shelves. And also the helpline has become a little taller in height to display the tooltips more prominently. Alright? So these are the updates on the interface of Maya 2023 and 2024. Okay? See you in the next video.